Since planting tomatoes this way, my yield has literally doubled. I prepared tomato seedlings. Tomatoes are planted when the frost has passed and the temperature reaches 15 degrees Celsius. Let's go planting. Tomatoes are planted in loose, fertile soil, slightly acidic to neutral pH reaction, 6 to 7. I make a deep hole, 25 centimeters deep. Tomatoes are not planted shallowly. I put a pinch of wood ash in the hole. Wood ash contains potassium for better fruit. I add a pinch of coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen for better plant growth. I add finely chopped banana peel. It contains potassium and micronutrients, responsible for stronger flowering. I do not put the root directly on the natural fertilizer. I will cover it with a thin layer of soil. I pour water into the hole so that the root penetrates deep. I will remove the lower leaves because I plant the seedlings deep. I put the seedling in the hole. Not upright, I'm going to skew it a little bit. I will pour the soil on the root and stem of the tomato. The tomato plant will root on the side of the plant, and that means more food, higher yield, and better fruit. I will lightly press the soil so that there are no air pockets. Water the tomatoes at the root. Do not wet the sheet unnecessarily. It seems as if I buried the tomato, but this way it gets twice as strong roots and bigger fruit. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends!